Car Story research indicates this vehicle as certified pre-owned, a good deal, and loaded with features. Features also include keyless ignition, premium sound system, rear view camera, hands-free Bluetooth integration, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick. With these ratings, you are going to love the 2019 Ridgeline. The Ridgeline was designed to give you exactly what you need to get the job done. And with Honda quality built right in, this truck can be with you for the long haul. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: towing package, all-wheel drive, bed liner, traction control, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, fog lights, mirror memory, headlights auto off, security system. Your new ride is just a phone call away.
With Honda certified pre-owned vehicles, you know you're going to be taken care of. Thorough inspections, both limited and powertrain warranties, all provide the comfort you're looking for in a pre-owned vehicle. Stop by your local Honda dealer today to see why the Honda certified program is worth looking into.